Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to do time lapse like so. So we delete these strips, and these strips was so long. They was, I don't know, check if how long it. So it was so long, and I wanted to be like so, 7 minutes like so. So if you take this, so you have to click it, so and you then you add effect strips and you choose speed control, then you got it faster. So you go here and you choose it and you drag it like so, and then we scale it and go here and you see they caption all this video, and if you want to drag it to this point you can do it. So now I got you 10 minutes here like so. So we do it like so, so we see how it turns out. So and we got it like so. So there you have it, how you can time lapse your modeling, 3D modeling to YouTube if you want to create something, show your expertise in this. So I hope this was helpful, and we see you in the next video. So like and subscribe to this video and share so we can do more. So I can